welcome back to my YouTube channel. At last, nandito na naman ako. It's me, Annadel Kisses. At if bago ka sa aking channel, make sure to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and comment on the comment section para po maging friends tayo. Cause, why not? Alright, so today's video is, I'm so happy to share to you all na I've received already the makeup mirror, the Vanitymirror that I ordered last week. Yes, you heard it right. So, nandito na siya. Now, I'm going to unbox it. Let's see what it looks like. Kasi I'm so excited talaga. Because, you know, it's my first time and I'm so happy because yes, naging totoo na siya. So, without further ado, let's open it. Let's unboxing it. So by the way, ladies, just another information is I purchased it in the Kogan.com.au. So around 228 Australian dollars ang bayaran namin kasi it comes with a shipping fee po sa EU. So I hope you can check out that site. I will include the description below kung saan ko siya nabili para you can check it out for yourself too. Cause why not, diba? Alright, so let's unboxing it. I will make it fast forward para hindi kayo maboring, diba? So make sure to use this kind of stuff para mabilisan ang pag-unbox natin. Make sure to be safe kasi dan sorry, diba? Ito po siya. So, ito po yung laman niya. It comes with 14 gloves. So, yan po siya. Plus, na-open ko na siya. Now, I need to separate everything to put it into places. So, ngayon po, na-open ko na siya. Really, it's a very well-packed talaga siya, as in. Alright. So, ito yung plug in niya. Tsaka some bolts here. You see? Ovela. Not sure. So I think ito yung dito ko ilalagay yung mirror. Tapos I'll just sit aside this para hindi mabasag kasi as you can see, it's so easy to get it. And it's called Ovela Hollywood Makeup Mirror with lid bulbs. So this is how the instruction of how to put it together. I have this scroll here. I need it to attach this mount here in the mirror. Make sure it's very safe. So lahat po ng bulbs is i-attach ko na sa aking vanity mirror. So as you can see, wala pa siya empty. Tsaka yung mga dito lahat. Ayan. So, let's get started. So, ayan na siya. So pleased. Very much happy. Hi ladies, I've already attached all my makeup thing, and this is not actually the final one because I need to redo this room. As you can see, is a little bit messy, but you have already an idea how it looks like. And at last, tapos na po ang aking pag-unboxing. So, I hope na gustuhan nyo. At don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. At saka mag-leave ng komento sa comment section. Thank you so much po and have a lovely day.